What's up, y'all? We at Big Bear. It's your boy Early Bird Get the Worm. Welcome to the video. Early birds, wake up. Good morning. Today's Friday. We're going on a road trip to Big Bear. We're heading out right now. But right now, we need some coffee first. It's early still. It's like 6 in the morning. But yeah, I just want to take y'all with us on this road trip. But yeah, we'll see y'all there. Early bird, what's up? We're about to get some grub on. We're at a place called Cafe 247. Yeah, stop by, get something to eat. Spot we go. Y'all see it. Girl got the waffles, got the burger. Sheesh. Alright, y'all, let's start this walk. What's up, y'all? We at the cabin at our Airbnb. About to grill some hot dogs and some sliders. I'm hungry as hell. I did some fishing earlier, but I didn't really catch nothing, so I got a skunk. And it was cold outside. I didn't even forgot to bring my sweater or jacket. But yeah. Sheesh. Oh, y'all, we outside the cabin. I'm getting some hot dogs right now. It's the Members Mark beef franks, 1/4 pound. Hey, these are fire. What's up, y'all? We at Big Bear. If you guys don't know already, there's a fishing derby coming soon here, starting from June 6th to the 8th, I believe. We're here 2 weekends earlier, so what we about to do is just go around the lake and find spots to fish to prepare for the competition. You know, I can't wait for the competition. It's gonna be fun. You know, I'll be ready. What's up, y'all? We're getting ready to check out. Last day here at Big Bear. About to head back to Vegas. I just want to tell you, yesterday I got skunked. Yeah, it was a terrible day. It got windy, like around noon, I think, or like late, almost like around late noon. Man, I can't even talk, man. I need a coffee or something. I need caffeine. But yeah, before we head back to Vegas, we're gonna go back to the lake one more time. See if we catch one at least, whatever type fish, just to break the skunk before we leave here. So yeah, see what happens, y'all. Oh, y'all, we just got here at the lake. See my girl chilling. Got the rod set up, man. I know you hear me huffing and puffing, man. I just had to go back to the truck, get my pick me up. You feel me? See, you know I needed that. Forgot that. But yeah, got the rod set up, bait and weight. I got my other rod, my Okuma SST trout rod. I don't know if I'm gonna use this, kind of shallow here. I got a jig on it. jig head, 1/16. But yeah, we gonna see, man. See what we catch. My girl chilling. Dice, bebe, hola, bebe. But yeah, we're chilling. Oh man, it's way nicer. I mean, it's warm, but because yesterday it was kind of windy. It's way warmer today. Sun's out, beaming. But I mean, it's a beautiful day though. I love this view right here. Beautiful. But yeah, man, see y'all in a bit. See what we catch. Hey, but look, see the fit. Shout out my mom for the gloves. Hey, it's hot out, you know, the sun's out. So hey, if you fishing, the sun's out, beaming. You gotta make sure you cover your whole body, man. Get your long sleeves, gloves. You know what I'm saying? Just get some Columbia gear, that's all. Also, we'll be back here in 2 weeks for the fishing derby on June 7th to the 8th. And we probably be fishing. We're gonna try multiple spots, but I like fishing on this spot, so we probably gonna be here most of the time. But yeah, I can't wait for the derby. We'll be ready. I'm trying to see. We might see if we're gonna camp out here before the derby starts. You know what I'm saying? Get to this spot first. You already know it's gonna be packed here for the derby, man. Like I said, I can't wait for the competition, y'all. It's gonna be fun. Y'all, I heard the bell on this one. I think it's moving. I heard the bell twice already, so we'll see if we catch one. Just playing with it, man. I got a mic still on it. It's a pink one. See if we catch one. I just seen it move twice and then I heard the bell. Stay tuned, y'all. See if we catch it. What's up, cuz? See them ducks out there been fighting with me this whole day. Especially the big one right there, man. He been hitting my line 3 times already. He had to bring his homies with him. I'll be right here chilling, waiting for you. Yeah, some ice cream on the hot sun. It's hella melted. Show about the fat boy. Best ice cream sandwiches in the planet. Out here chilling. Man. Early birds. I'm gonna end the video here. Still got my rod out. Just in case, you know, we get a little last minute hookup. But yeah, man, we about to start packing up. Head back home. So if I do catch a fish last minute, you'll see on the video. But yeah, man. Hey, I'll be back in 2 weeks though for the competition, y'all. I'll be back.